Sit in silence. Close your eyes. Breathe. In the beginning, before beginning, there was only Ein Sof, the infinite. No beginning, no end, no direction, no center, a boundless sea of light. Then came the first secret. Ein Sof contracted itself, Zimtzum, a withdrawal of light, leaving a hollow void in its midst, a space in which worlds could be born. Do not imagine absence. Even in the void, the infinite whispers. From the edges of the void, a single thread of light descended. The Kav, a measured ray, piercing the hollow, reaching into the dark silence. From this ray came circles upon circles, igulim, spheres of infinite light. Then came the line, Yosha, a form, a direction, a beginning of order within chaos. From the Kav emerged the first sparks, crowns of Keter, roots of wisdom and understanding, seed of all 10 Sephirot. Imagine the ray piercing your inner darkness. From the light, letters began to glow, but not yet steady, not yet able to rest in vessels. The light was too strong, the vessels too weak. The first world, Adam Kadmon, overflowed with brilliance, and its vessels shattered. The sparks scattered, falling into the depths, clothed in shells, buried within matter. Every desire, every fragment of thought carries a holy spark, a shard of the shattered vessels waiting for return. Breathe. Imagine letters breaking and reforming within you. Before order, there was Tohu, a world of chaos, where the Sephirot stood side by side, each demanding fullness, none yielding to another. Without harmony, the vessels burst. The light fell, shards scattered like stars, broken in the night. And there was Bohu, the shards themselves, darkened vessels, yet each holding a spark of infinite fire. Every exile is Bohu, every redemption a gathering of sparks. Over Tohu hovered darkness, the black fire of Din, and over Bohu hovered spirit, the ruach of compassion drawing sparks upward toward repair. Breathe deeper. Feel the brokenness in yourself and the sparks rising from it. Yehi, or let there be light. The infinite planted holy seed in the void, a palace woven of balance, a union of father and mother, Abba and Imma, wisdom and understanding. From their union, Zeir Anpin was born. A small face, a structure of 6 Sephirot, axis of harmony. From silence came sound, from hidden seed came voice. A whisper became speech. Let there be. Speak silently within. Yehi, let there be. God saw the light, that it was good, Kitov. The middle column emerged, uniting right with left, mercy with judgment, fire with water. The tikkun begins here, when opposites no longer shatter, but join together. When chesed yields to gevura, and gevura bends to chesed, Tifereh is born. Beauty, harmony, the secret of repair. This is the inner balance of creation, the secret of good. Rest in your center, the pillar within your breath. From the axis of light, God called forth Yesod, the foundation, the flow of blessing into the world. From shadow, God clothed the moon, Shekinah in exile, ruler of the night, awaiting union with her beloved. Day and night, sun and moon are the rhythm of exile and redemption. The Shekinah shrinks in exile, but will one day shine again with the fullness of the sun. Inhale the light of day. Exhale the holiness of night. HaKelim yaziru, the enlightened shall shine like the heavens. Their wisdom is not new light, but the gathering of old sparks. Every prayer, every mitzvah lifts fragments from Bohu, restoring them to their root. In every broken moment, a spark waits for your gaze. The Maskilim are genetic channels of the divine name, souls shining as stars in the cosmic body. See yourself shining as a vessel restored. When all ascends, all returns to the one point, the Ein Sof. The end is like the beginning, for the final tikkun restores what the Tzimtzum concealed. Every soul, every action is a spark of the shattered vessels. When gathered, the palace is rebuilt. This is the secret of history. From contraction to expansion, from shattering to harmony, from exile to redemption. Everything rises, everything reunites, until all is one again. Ein Sof turning within itself, without beginning, without end. Open your eyes slowly. Return to the world. Carry the light within. Baruch Ata Adonai, Or HaOlamim. Blessed are you, Lord, light of all worlds.